Hi there, so this is the recipe for my waffles recipe. So I made it into a very nice thing like you can see now. Little nice note. Okay, so what you need is 3/4 cup of flour, 90 grams, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, okay, 30 grams, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and these are the dry ingredients that you are going to mix together in one big bowl. And then now for the wet ingredients, you have 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 6 tablespoons of canola oil, and 1/4 cup of milk. So what I do is actually I combine these two. I actually make it into one. Okay, so what I do is I actually combine these two into 1 cup of milk, and I add in 1 tablespoon of vinegar, the white color vinegar, the clear color one. So it becomes buttermilk substitute. Okay, and then I add in 6 tablespoons of canola oil, and then I take 1 egg yolk from here and I mix it into this part, which is the wet ingredients. So over here you have egg yolk, buttermilk, and canola oil. Okay, so that's the wet ingredients. And then you need the third bowl. The third bowl is actually for you to use a whisk, preferably use an electric whisk, where you take the egg white, and then you take 1 tablespoon of sugar and half teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then you beat it to soft peak. Okay, so actually what I did previously wrongly was I beat it to like stiff peak. No, you need it at soft peaks. Okay, so what happens later is you add this wet into the dry, then you mix them together with your hand whisk, not the electric one already. Then the last part is this part here where I have this soft peak egg whites, I blend it into this big bowl where it already has this part here. So I blend it in. And then what happens? I blend it in, and then it's a nice like fluffy kind of texture. Okay, seemingly like cake batter. Then it's done. So for the machine wise, once you get the machine in, the instructions will teach you how to make your waffle. Okay, so this is the recipe I'm using now. So just this part I tweak it to 1 cup of normal milk, and I add in 1 tablespoon of vinegar to the milk, and the vinegar is the clear color type, transparent one, not the dark color vinegar. It's the clear color one. Okay, so it will become your substitute for buttermilk. Okay, yeah, so that's it. So enjoy.